I turned this unused canoe that I had. It was just gathering dust into this, and then into this awesome go-kart. If you were wondering why I did it, welcome to the Kalahari. I stay here. We don't need a canoe if we don't have water. Let's build something interesting. We encountered a few issues while we were testing the canoe go-kart. I will talk about it during the build and discuss how we plan on improving the canoe kart. We will be doing improvements in the second video and making it look nicer. We had a nice relaxing weekend away, taking a break from the build. The first and biggest issue is the steering and turning radius. You will see in the testing. We think it is due to the wide rear wheels and the solid axle. We will be cutting the axle and adding 2 bearings. This will make the one wheel the drive wheel and the one wheel the brake wheel. Drop a comment if you have a better and cheaper idea. We are almost ready for testing, but we need an engine. The brakes was the second issue we encountered. We had no brakes when testing at the dam. The brakes lost all pressure. We will try to service the brake master cylinder, and if it doesn't work, we will replace it. We came to the dam to check out the testing grounds.
Today we are testing the canoe go-kart here at the dam. Get ready.
We are on our way home to do some more testing. If you have made it this far, please consider subscribing and enjoy the rest of the testing. Doing the changes I mentioned in the second video and making this go-kart look even better. Thanks for watching. Here's the subscribe link and some other videos.